Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to minimize font size on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button before to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, as you can see here, I used the largest one for the font size there guys. So if you want to minimize it, you just have to go to the settings, of course. And now in the settings page, go to this display options. Tap on it. And after here in this display page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the display size and text. Tap on it. If you want to minimize it, you just have to shifting this button to the left for the smaller size guys. Here I'm going to shifting first. I'm going to use it. And if you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will automatically save like this. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.